All right, this is a Studio Live AR12 analog soundboard. It is presenting an issue where channel 1 has low or no signal, and I wanted to share this issue with the YouTube here because I think this can actually be relevant to anybody with an analog soundboard. In fact, I know it can be. I've seen this multiple times, and it's a very simple fix. So what happens when you run your channel into one, let's see, sorry for the pop. This thing starts up, and I should be able to see, making some noise here. Hey, check 1, 2. Ooh, making that kind of loud. But we'll actually see the light here lighting up, and I've actually already fixed the issue here. But what happens is these get dirty, and all you have to do is operate every potentiometer and button in the circuit. It's going to clear out some of that oxidation, and it'll help it work better. Sometimes, and I've actually got another issue on this board, sometimes you'll have to use some special cleaner and lubricant, and I'll get another video showing what I do there on some of these other channels. But today, this channel right here, I was able to fix it by actually going through and finding the problematic button, as it ended up being, and making it work well. So the interesting thing here, this is the circuit from top to bottom, and you want to just go through each one. You can hear me coming through the mic now, and you can see over here it responding. So what you want to do, let's go ahead and mute all these channels here. What you want to do is you want to go through each one of these, operate it top to bottom. I like doing it like 20 times. Some people say 100. The interesting thing is, though, I did all that and I didn't see any difference. But when I came back and used an instrument cable and came into this line, I actually got full signal. And I compared to channel 2, got the same result. And so what I did, which was awesome of Presonus, to have this in their user manual, they actually had a circuit diagram, and I could see what else this was going through. And I should have known, but it didn't occur to me. The phantom power over here actually is inserted right here in the mic plug, as it should for phantom power, and not on the line instrument. And so I thought, well, that's interesting. This works fine on the whole channel, but this is not working. Could it be phantom power? And sure enough, I hit that phantom power button. You can actually see these going green. It's probably because there's still some corrosion and things in this button. As soon as I did that and I operated this button a few times, it started working perfect. It came to life, so to speak. So if you're experiencing an issue where you've got low signal on your channel, it could just be a corroded button. And by the way, phantom power may be necessary for the microphone that you're using. If it's a condenser mic, for example, be aware that depending on the mic you're using, turning on phantom power could damage it. I have a very cheap, like no-name microphone here, dynamic mic. That phantom power won't hurt it. It doesn't need phantom power. So it doesn't really matter if I turn this on and off. I'm not going to hurt that thing. But if you're worried or you don't know, before you do that, just unplug your mic. Nothing's plugged in here. Not going to hurt it. Cycle that phantom power. And then we'll turn this back on. Unmute our channels. Check. 1, 2. Hey. And there you have it. Cycling your faders, your potentiometers, and all of the buttons associated with a channel. Good to do that regularly. It'll keep the oxidation off of those contacts, and it'll keep your analog board running well, or it could fix it if it's not running well. That's all I got today. Thanks.